aviation giants converge at the iconic Maktoum International Airport. This year, the event soars to new heights, bringing together military and industry leaders from across more than 80 nations and featuring the latest innovations from over 1,400 industry partners. The Dubai skies are alive as U.S. and coalition forces showcase some of their most advanced aircraft, from the strategic B-52 Stratofortress and the agile F-16 Fighting Falcon, to the game-changing stealth of the F-35A Lightning II. These aircraft are not just on display, they're in motion, thrilling crowd with breathtaking aerial demonstrations and showcasing cutting-edge technologies designed for the world's most complex missions. But the air show is far more than a feast for aviation fans. It's a meeting ground for sharing expertise, innovation, and commitment. Leading U.S. defense industry representatives, from Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and Northrop Grumman, to bold innovators like Anduril and Shield AI, unveil their latest advancements, pushing the boundaries in electronic warfare, unmanned aerial systems, and next-generation air defense. Elevating the event, AFCENT's participation spotlights the United States' firm dedication to strengthening regional partnerships. The Air Force's Central Band energizes the crowd, while the Bomber Task Force delivers stunning flyovers, reminding everyone of America's resolve for peace through strength. These demonstrations are not just about technology. They reinforce global security, interoperability, and the vital role of collaboration among U.S. Central Command allies. Inside the massive exhibition halls, delegates and visitors witness cutting-edge launches in electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, breakthroughs that promise to redefine the future of mobility and defense. Major deals and industry partnerships are sealed right here on the show floor, each one forging a stronger, safer tomorrow for the region and the world. As the sun sets each evening, the Dubai Airshow 2025 serves as a beacon for the future of aerospace and security. With the world watching, the U.S. and its allies stand united, demonstrating unwavering professionalism, readiness, and a shared vision. Innovation, cooperation, and peace across the skies.
I'm not as texted actually. They're like